Hey folks, Sam here with KC Lawn. Today we're gonna put some new string in this Ryobi Lithium 18V. The V stands for victory because we're out here winning with an electric trimmer. The first thing you're gonna do is push these two buttons on the side. They kind of look like fast forward buttons. You push those down and then it will pop up this. Now once you have a little bit up, you should be able to pop off the whole thing like that. Boom. I know I made it look easy. You're probably gonna struggle. It's okay. We're gonna get through this. Take that, throw it to the side, and then you have your little spool in there. Now, there's replacement cartridges that you can just replace it. Don't do that. I recommend replacing the string on this because it's gonna be better quality, it's gonna last longer, and it's going to stand a fighting chance against thick weeds. This was what was inside of it. This is floss level. You don't want that. 0.09, yes, it's Husqvarna, and it is going to be in the link.
Is there like a model
in the description? This is about 6 foot. There it is. First thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna find the notch in this thing. So the notch you'll see is right schmear. You're gonna put the string inside that notch. Okay. So once you have it sufficiently shoved in there, then you're gonna reverse it and go the other way. Do not let go. Otherwise, it will unwind and then you have to rewind it again. This is the worst part, okay? I understand folks don't have a lot of patience with it. I don't.
Or carpal tunnel.
Yeah, dude, my fingers. But we're gonna get through this, folks. We're gonna get through this. So once you get it to where there's maybe like, I don't know, what is this, like 7 inches left?
There's gotta be a way to test.
Then you're gonna take it and you're gonna anyway, yeah, you pop it in there. If it's too thick to pop it inside one of these, it's probably going to be too thick of a string. This one pops in there though because it works. Now that you have this little puck sufficiently wound, put this line through this hole, okay? Pull it out of this, okay? So we're holding on to it. And then you're gonna take that and then you're going to put it on to this. And then lock it in by turning it counterclockwise. You pull that tight. Last is taking this cap, pushing in again, these two sides, and you're gonna basically try to get it inside to where it's right there. Pop, boom. There we go. Yes, it trimmed it down to the size that we want it to. All right, so that's how you restring a Ryobi trimmer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like. And if you have any questions about the Ryobi trimmer, put them in the comments below. And when you're trimming, don't forget,
wear eye protection and long socks.